Now, at the border, sometimes officers will say to the person in front of them when they feel that there's a clear abandonment or a clear violation, they'll say, do you want to voluntarily abandon your residency, and shove the paper or the form 407 in front of you. And if you sign that form, you are going to now have affirmatively abandoned and saying, I don't want it anymore, my permanent residency. And then a hearing will not be set for you and you will lose your green card right there. So it is very, very, very important to understand that if you're at the border and the officer asks you, do you want to voluntarily abandon your residency so we can be done with all this, and puts that form in front of you, you need to know to say no. I do not want to abandon my residency. I have not abandoned my residency. I am not in violation of being a permanent resident of the United States, and I am not going to sign anything. So you have a right not to sign that form if you are offered it at the border. I think the main thing that all of us need to take out of this video, and you have to clearly understand, is that the CBP, the Border Patrol, or internal ICE, Customs Enforcement inside the US, cannot take away your green card or permanent residence. Only a judge can take it away. They can question it. They can gather evidence to say that you have abandoned it or you have violated the status, but they cannot be the ones that take it away. An immigration judge is the only one that can make that determination that you have violated your status or abandoned it and you are no longer a permanent resident. I really hope all of this cleared a lot up, and that you understand that when you approach the border, or if you're in the United States, nobody can come to your door or stop you at the border and say, give me your green card, you're no longer a permanent resident. It's not possible. It's not legal, and it will not happen. Nobody can take away your permanent residence like that. Only a judge can do that. The only time that you will not be let back into the country is if you sign that voluntary abandonment and you give it up yourself, which I told you you do not have to do, or you've been out of the country for more than a year. Then you must go home and apply for a resident visa to come back.